Hello, everyone. Happy Wednesday. It is May 6th, 2020. And today we're going to be checking up on our zucchini plant. Look at it. It's growing pretty good. You should have your zucchini journal and a backside, which, once again, we're just trying to use whatever resources we have. So I found some paper that I could use. I'm not going to use for anything else because it's ripped, but still does the job. So let's get started. Today we're going to use colored pencils. We have 6 colored pencils. We have a light green, dark green, orange, black, and a red and a brown. So today's date, 5/6/20. We're talking about zucchini. And today is last time we met was day 1. And that was 9 days ago. So we're going to do 1 plus 9. So if I have 1 zucchini, and I buy 9 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many zucchinis did I buy altogether? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 zucchinis. Today is day 10. Zucchini is a vegetable. Temperature today is 56 degrees. Last class was 62. So what's warmer, today 56 degrees or 62 degrees last class? Which one's the bigger number? 62. So last class was warmer. By how much? I'm going to get my bigger number, 62, take away 56. Now, since we have 2 digits, I'm going to do imaginary lines. Let's separate it. 2, take away 6. Can I do that problem? No. Why is that? The bigger number has to be, or the top number has to be bigger than the bottom number. And 6 is definitely bigger than 2. So what we need to do is we need to borrow. So we're going to take 1 away from 6 and make it a 5. That 1 that I borrowed, I'm going to put here. Cross out my 2 and put it next to the 1. All you're doing with the 2 is you're just moving it up here. So it's a little neater, a little more organized. Now, is 12 bigger than 6? Yeah. So I'm going to draw 12 zucchini. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many did I eat? 6. So I'm going to take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many zucchinis are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My next column, I have 5 zucchini. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm eating or taking away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many zucchini are left? 0. I have no more columns, so I erase my imaginary line, and there's my answer. Last class was warmer by 6 degrees. Today is sunny, and now we look at our plant. So you see, the zucchini plant, unlike our other plants so far, has a thicker stem. And you can see all these little white things, these are its little hairs. You see these veins at the bottom of the leaf. Now eventually it's going to open up even more. And then you have your two leaves hanging out. So when we draw this, we're looking at the stem. You see these big, thick veins in the leaf. These leaves get really, really big. Some of them get to about like 9 inches, 10 inches. They get very, very big. So let's measure it. Right now it's still small, but and we're at 1 inch. So 1 inch. Do we have any flowers? No. Do we have any zucchini growing on it yet? No. 0. Is it dry? Yeah, it's dry. So are we going to water it? Yeah. Whenever it's dry, we water it. If it's wet, we don't water it. So you can copy this information down now, or you can wait, and I'm going to complete this for you right now. Markers. Well, let's see. All right, I'll pause the video. All right, now. All right, so once you're done with that, our journal sheet is done. Now we're gonna color the back of our journal sheet, the pack. So let's take another look. Once again, we have this orange, red, brown color pot. We have this light green stem. And some of these veins almost like whitish yellow. So let's add maybe yellow pencil to our mix. So now we have 7 colors. To do this, well, our dirt's brown and black. To do this, what I think we should do is, and you could do it anyway, but whatever resources you have at home. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this yellow, green stem. I'm going to do a light green leaf, and then for these dark veins over here, I'm going to do a dark green. Now if you're using paints, you have a lot more options because you could definitely use the white, light green, and there, yellow. But with color pencils, you kind of got to play with it a little. Now, also when you draw this, remember our leaves are very close together. So let's try doing our little plant first. Leaves are a little pointy. So I'm going to draw something like this. Try your best. Alright, so now that we got that plant, I'll do this yellowish greenish stem. What you're seeing me do right now is I'm smearing the colored pencil wax or tip that is colored on top of each other, so it kind of like blends it together instead of just being on top. So you see, I just get my finger and I'll rub it. Because normally if I just do it on top, this is just an example. If this is my yellow, I just do green on top. That's all you're really going to get. Unless you press really hard, but then you're losing the yellow. If I smear it, it kind of blends it together a little better. That's what I think, but to each his own. So, let's see if I could hold this and color at the same time. Camera shakes too much. It's too much moving with the pencil. So I'm going to do a light green stem. Use my dark green, or if mine is black, completely up to you. Yeah, something like that. Now for my dirt. And once again, this is up to you. If you want to do the pot first, you can do the pot first. If you want to do the dirt first, you can do the dirt first. Totally up to you. So I'm coloring my dirt, so brown. And I mentioned with zucchini, a popular dish is fried zucchini. Another popular food you can do with zucchini is zucchini bread. If you never had zucchini bread, it's very, very good. It might sound disgusting, but it's not. I always put some Nutella on there, make it really delicious. Nutella on anything makes it taste good. Alright, so I got my dirt. I'm going to do my pot. I'm going to do my orange because it's the lightest of the three. This is the lighter color, orange. Now, maybe you like this just the way it is, and that's fine. I want to add some brown in there, just to give it a little bit more detail. Hopefully I'm not shaking the table too much. And there we go. So, we did our journal. We did the back side of our zucchini today, the journal page. If you have any other questions, let me know. Other than that, you guys are doing really good. Keep up the good work, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.